Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use InVideo AI and create professional videos with artificial intelligence. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the platform, you'll find the tools and options you need to start creating your video. Begin by deciding what type of video you want to make. You can create content for YouTube, social media, marketing, education, tutorials, and many other purposes. Next, enter your video idea or prompt into the AI video creation area. Describe what you want the video to be about and include important details such as the topic, style, audience, and approximate length. The more specific your prompt is, the easier it can be for the AI to understand what you want to create. After entering your prompt, let InVideo AI generate the initial video. The platform can help create a script, organize scenes, and add suitable visual and audio elements based on your instructions. Once the video is generated, preview the entire project. Check the script carefully and make sure the information matches your original idea. Next, review the scenes and visuals. If a particular image or video clip doesn't fit the topic, you can replace it with something more relevant. You can also customize the text, scene structure, voiceover, music, subtitles, and other elements to make the video better suited to your audience. If the AI-generated script needs changes, edit the wording and make it clearer or more engaging. You can also adjust individual scenes instead of rebuilding the entire video. Next, check the AI voiceover and make sure the narration sounds natural and matches the video. Adjust the voice or script if necessary. You should also review the background music and make sure it doesn't overpower the narration. Once all the scenes look and sound correct, watch the complete video from beginning to end. Check the pacing, transitions, visuals, subtitles, voiceover, and overall quality. Finally, when you're satisfied with the result, generate the final version and export or share your completed video. And that's how you can use InVideo AI to create professional AI videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.